Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make Thai chili dipping sauce, or in Thai we call Nam Jim Jaew. This Thai chili dipping sauce is sweet, sour, and a little bit of spicy and crunchy. It's very quick and easy to make and great with any type of grilled, fried meat, sticky rice, and fresh vegetable. First, we need to prepare everything first. It's a finely chop the shallot and cilantro. And then we start to prepare the dipping sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of the tamarind puree. If you don't have the tamarind puree, you can change to be the lime juice. Three tablespoons of the fish sauce. One tablespoon of the lime juice. Half tablespoon of the palm sugar. Half or 1 tablespoon of the dry chili flakes. This one is depend with how spicy you like. And the last one is the toast rice powder. For this one, I will put how to make the toast rice powder in the description box. It's very easy, just use only sticky rice. And then add the shallot and mix everything well. Add cilantro, spring onions. Add 2 tablespoons of the warm water. And then mix everything well. And that is finished for our dipping sauce. And for this dipping sauce is original from the northeastern of the Thailand. And then you can find very easy in Thailand. Our spicy, sweet, and come with the smoke flavor and crunchy textures. I hope you give this try for this recipe. And if you like this recipe, please like, subscribe, and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook. And see you next time.